Friends, welcome to this dedicated learning space for Vedic Maths. This channel is creative and academic oriented. In this video, we shall explore some more magic tricks to solve large multiplications within few seconds. We shall learn the multiplication of numbers, one number above the base and another below the base. Friends, let's go ahead. Friends, before we proceed to solve problems, let us understand the concept of theoretical base and working base. The concept of theoretical and working approaches represents two fundamental ways of engaging with information, problem solving, and research. A working approach focuses on what happens in reality. It emphasizes direct action, observation, and responsiveness to specific context. Suppose we want to multiply 41 into 41. Both these numbers are far away from the base 100. By adopting 100 as our working base, we shall get minus 59 and minus 59 as deficiencies. Thus, the consequent vertical multiplication minus 59 into minus 59 would prove too cumbersome to process under Vedic system. This will be positively inadmissible, friends. Friends, to understand the process clearly, let us take the same problem to multiply 41 into 41. Let us take the theoretical base as 100 and working base as 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. Then the deficiencies of 41 will be minus 9. To get the right part of the answer, minus 9 into minus 9 is equal to 81. The theoretical base has two zeros. So, in the right part of the answer, 2 digits 81 is permissible. So, 81 is the right part of the answer. To get the left part of the answer, 41 minus 9 is equal to 32 and 41 minus 9 is equal to 32. Both are same. But 32 is the partial left part of the answer. To get the working base, we have divided theoretical base 100 by 2. So, we must divide 32 also by 2. Therefore, we get 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. This is the left part of the answer. Therefore, 41 into 41 is equal to 1681 is the answer. Hope you have understood the process clearly. The same problem can be solved by taking the different base. Let us learn in the next slide. Friends, now the problem to multiply is same, and that is 41 into 41. But now let us take the theoretical base as a 10 and working base as 10 into 5 is equal to 50. Once the working base is same as that we have solved earlier, there are two things you must take care of. One, Minus 9 into minus 9 is equal to 81. But note that now our theoretical base is 10. It has only one zero in it. Therefore, the right part of the answer must have one digit, that is 1. Number 2, MSD of 81, that is 8, must be carried over to the left part of the answer. We know that the partial left part of the answer is 32. Since we have multiplied theoretical base 10 by 5, we must also multiply 32 by 5. Therefore, 32 into 5 is equal to 160. If we add carry 8, we get 160 plus 8 is equal to 168. This will be the left part of the answer. Therefore, 41 into 41 is equal to 1681. Friends, we have got the same answer as earlier. Friends, finally, we shall solve another interesting problem to multiply 249 into 245. Let's take the theoretical base as 1000 and working base as 1000 divided by 4, that is equal to 250. Deficiency of 249 with respect to working base is minus 1 and deficiency of 245 is minus 5. To get the right part of the answer, minus 1 into minus 5 is equal to 5. But theoretical base is 1000. It has 3 zeros. So, 5 must be appended and written as 005. This is the right part of the answer. To get the left part of the answer, 249 minus 5 is equal to 244 and 245 minus 1 is equal to 244. Both are same. This is the partial left part of the answer. Since we have divided the theoretical base 1000 divided by 4, we must divide the partial left part of the answer also by 4. That is 244 divided by 4 is equal to 61. So, 61 is the final left part of the answer. Therefore, 249 into 245 is equal to 61005 is the answer. Very easy, isn't it, friends? I hope you understood the procedure clearly. We shall meet again in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.